How to fix Wizz app not letting me log in. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Wizz application is not letting you log in into its application, there might be a couple of reasons why. So first and foremost, check for the credential. If you are entering the wrong credential to log in into your Wizz account, it might be the case why you are not being able to log in into your account. In that case, you can use any of the Facebook or Google login or just tap on Forgot Password to recover your account. If not, there might be a bug or the glitch issue that needs to be solved. In that case, you can press and hold onto your app, head over to App Info, tap on Force Stop, then head over to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. This is to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. Next step, you can head back from here and open up your Play Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Wizz. Now if there is any available update for the application, just tap on the update button to leave your application for an update and relaunch it later. The last resort will be to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it's the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.